What's up, everybody? It's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop. And in today's video, we will be covering topics such as eToro, the bloody weekend, Memorial Day, right? We will be covering the whales. We will be covering BitPay. We will be covering Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. So make sure you watch this whole video if you want to catch all of this hot news off the press. eToro CEO says the app added Dogecoin because of its large and loud fan base, and notes Shiba Inu's coins similarly passionate following. It should be no surprise to you that Dogecoin hodlers are one of the most passionate groups out there, and that is the reason why I actually invested into Dogecoin, primarily because of the very strong community base. Not so much because of the technology. I mean, yeah, it's great that it's fast and everything, but really the real thing here is the community. And I must say the Dogecoin community is one of the best, if not the best, I've ever seen in my life of investing here. And as you know, Dogecoin hodlers love to petition for things like Amazon, take Dogecoin, Walmart, please take Dogecoin, etc. here. So it should be no surprise to you that we see Shiba Inu coin trying to ride on the coattails of Dogecoin. And as you know, everyone wants to find the next big thing, the next Amazon, the next Dogecoin, the next Bitcoin, right? So that is what Shiba Inu coin represents, a possibility of the next Dogecoin or the next Bitcoin. Like the video, please, because when you do that, you will be telling the YouTube algorithm, you know what, I like what Hey Jon is doing here, and please share this video with more and more people so we can help Hey Jon grow his channel, because we want to spread the Dogecoin news to as many people as possible. And as you know, the more you are educated on something, the more likely you are to invest into it. So please do that, and make sure you also subscribe and notify, because I do live streams on Dogecoin, and you want to make sure you don't miss a beat. Coinbase crypto partner Circle raises $440 million from Fidelity and others. What is Circle? Well, it is essentially a payment and treasury infrastructure for the internet. This is pretty much going to be the back end for it. For example, if you ever used a back-end payment processing system such as Magneto for e-commerce, what you know they do, they essentially handle your payments for you and gives you the monies here. They do all of the transactions for you. This is the same thing, but it is for cryptocurrency. And the fact that they have a current $4 billion valuation just tells you how big the future is for cryptocurrency payments. And I believe Dogecoin will be leading the way because of the very modest fees, and of course the fact that Elon Musk is behind it, and he calls it the cryptocurrency of the earth. And you know what? I think this will happen. Of course, we need to be patient and see how this flows out. But overall though, we are seeing these very large companies now with big valuations entering the crypto space. What does that tell you? We are on the precipice of great things, and be patient. They're coming. Do not get shooken out. A bloody crypto Memorial Day weekend. Some Bitcoin bulls are dreading the long US holiday break. I covered this very same topic in my live stream last night, and I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, well, as you know, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is going to be a long weekend. The stock markets will be closed. However, though, cryptocurrency is a different animal. It is like Forex. It is open 24/7. They don't care about holidays. So that means that even if the Americans are busy, grilling a burger and having a beer and relaxing, well, that means you have a whole market not watching the cryptocurrency as much. What does this mean? This means lower volume. Lower volume leads to increased chance of market manipulation with a smaller amount of moolah. And of course, if that can happen, and I suspect it will, I was telling everyone we could see a possible flash crash this weekend and Monday. due to the fact that the Americans will be chilling out and having a good old time and having a beer and a burger and hanging out with friends and family. So what this means is that you should possibly set up alerts on your phone so you can get things or alerts when you hit a certain price point, or just possibly throwing in a limit buy or a limit sell. Of course, I do not give financial advice. That's purely my opinion of what to possibly do to prepare yourself for this possible manipulation. Whales tired of Dogecoin. Daily transactions value down 93% in under a month. Well, that's quite interesting. As we can see here from the data, May 9th, 46 billion, right? Check this out. The next day, 16 billion, then 14 billion, then 8 billion, right? And check it out. Now we're currently at about 3.2 billion. So 3.2 billion is a lot lesser than 46 billion, right? And of course, we're seeing decreased transactions because, as you know, when Dogecoin's price come down, well, it gets a little boring and people lose interest. So they go to other investments such as AMC and GME. And currently we know AMC and GME are blowing up, right? Going to the moon. And I do know that many of these traders in the Wall Street bet circles right here, right? They believe in the memes such as GME, AMC, Doge, etc. So I suspect that people have taken their Doge profits and their Doge money and have FOMO'd it into AMC. So I suspect these same folks are now up 100%, you know, and they want to make their profits. And when they're done making their profits, well, I suspect they will come back to Dogecoin and we will see an influx of money into Dogecoin once again. And when it happens, we will rise and go back to the moon. So we just need to be patient and let our Wall Street bros and sisters make their money in GME and AMC. And when they're done, I am sure they will come back and Dogecoin will fly back to the moon. Elon Musk and Mark Cuban are pushing Dogecoin for payments, and BitPay data backs them up. Dogecoin has ballooned to nearly 13% of BitPay's transaction volume, and its fourth most popular payment option. Holy moly, this is significant. This is quite significant because Dogecoin has only been listed onto BitPay maybe for a month or two now, from what I recall. And now they're number 4 in terms of the highest cryptocurrency being traded. But the thing to note here is that most companies who exchange fiat for Dogecoin, well, guess what? They take the fiat over Dogecoin, usually in one business day. So it's very interesting. We're not seeing companies that's using Dogecoin and then holding onto it, right? No. What they're doing is transferring their Dogecoins into US dollars or euros or whatever country they're from. But the interesting to note here is that for other countries who do not have a stable currency, well, they actually choose to hold on to Dogecoin instead of converting it to their native fiat currency. So that's also very interesting to note. Social media firm HelloPal acquires Dogecoin mining outfit for $3.5 million. Dogecoin earns more attention as Canadian company HelloPal acquires Doge miner CryptoPal technology for $3.5 million. This is quite interesting because HelloPal has bought Litecoin miner and CryptoPal. And as you know, Dogecoin uses a Litecoin technology, so you could use ASIC miners to mine Dogecoin and make some Dogecoins. And the fact that we're seeing actual companies pop up and actually mine Dogecoin and become possibly profitable, well, this is a sign of the times to come here. Maybe mining Dogecoin isn't currently profitable, but they foresee the future and they say, you know what, I want to mine now. So in the future, when my Dogecoin appreciates, so guess what? My assets will become worth that much more. And these people have these visionary thoughts and these visionary plans, and they can see the future. Even if right now it is kind of gloomy because Dogecoin is still falling Of course, though, that is due to Bitcoin and their negative news. And as you know, Bitcoin is the market leader. If Bitcoin comes down, everything comes down. They are interrelated. They are not Dogecoin here and Bitcoin here. No, no, no. It's Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and they go together, okay? They have a synergistic relationship. It's not one or the other. It is both. And that's why you should buy both as well, because Bitcoin is the leader, and it's always a good idea to buy the leader. And of course, Dogecoin is a leader of altcoins, in my opinion. And I think that is also a phenomenal investment. I don't give financial advice. I just share what I'm doing.